tools here first. Putting a bit of rubber solution on this. We're going to poke that in the hole. Once we pull the nail out, got this ready. I'll put it all over the floor. We're going to push this into the tyre, which is going to bend over like that, so it goes in, and then you pull it out, and it comes out through that little slot, pulls the tool off it. We'll see that in action in a minute. Our first job is to remove this. Got that ready now.
It's going.
Right, it's in now. So you need to just pull that out with one quick sharp pull, like that. Maybe buy a slightly better quality kit next time. And then you just trim that off with straight off there with a Stanley knife. If you do it quick, you still have a bit of air left in the tyres. The kind of thing I was fucking about with yesterday, that.
When you serviced it yesterday.
Yeah.
Which side are we on? This side.
Well, yeah. The sharp knife.